friends, welcome back to the channel. Food is God gift. Today I'm going to show you how to make best caramel sauce in the world. This sauce is simply delicious, smooth texture, creamy, consistent, perfect texture friends. This is so easy to make. Only you need 3 ingredients and all must be equal part: cream, brown sugar, butter. That's it friend. It's so easy. Let's start. So in the pan I just start with the brown sugar, butter. So we're going to start melt, and make sure your the temperatures, the flame should be medium high. Now you can see that all the bubbles start forming. This is the stage. The sugar and then the butter start melting completely. Now it's ready. It's completely ready. So easy to make. Smooth, perfect thickness, just perfect. It smells so good. It's just buttery, creamy, and then the taste so good. You always can use this caramel sauce as a topping for the ice cream, on the top of cake. You can spread it on a bread. You can put it inside the popcorn. You can dip it with the cookies. It's so much useful. You can use for many things. I hope you enjoy another recipe from our channel. Please do subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.